Another thing you can do with YouTube is create a playlist. So let's say I have a series of videos over a topic that I want my students to watch. Instead of sending them 5 individual links to each video, I can create a playlist of all the videos and send that out as one link or one assignment. So here's how you would do that. In the search bar, I'm going to look for videos on equivalent fractions because I'm teaching that in math class. I'm going to find videos that I like or that I think are relevant to the students. Now, if this was for a real lesson, I would of course watch the videos to completion to make sure that they're appropriate for my students. But in the interest of time, I'll just pick a few.
What's up, guys? I'm Carly.
The way that you add these videos to a playlist is you see in the bottom left corner of the video playing screen, there's an Add To button. And if you already have some playlists, you can just check the box to a playlist you've already created, or you can make a new playlist, and I'll just call this Equivalent Fractions. You can choose whether this is private, public, or unlisted. I'll leave it as public, and I'll press Create. Now I get a little message saying that that has been added to equivalent fractions. I'll go back to my search results and find another one. This one looks interesting. And you'll notice now that I've created that playlist, it pops up right here. So I'll press a little checkbox, Added to Playlist. Do that with a couple more just so you can see what that looks like.
Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about equivalent fractions.
Welcome to my presentation on equivalent fractions. So equivalent fractions are essentially what they sound.
Now to get to that playlist, I'll go over here to my library and you can see I've got a bunch of different stuff. I'll press library to expand it and you can see all my different playlists. And here's my equivalent fractions. And you'll notice on the right is a list of all the videos that I've added to my playlist. And they'll play one after the other.
Hi everyone.
And if I want to send this to my students, it's very simple. I can press this share button. I get a link that I can copy and paste. I get a bunch of different options of how I want to share this. I could embed it in a website or on my Canvas page, or I could also email it straight from this website.